Hi friends, in this video I just explain or introduce what is C++ and which year is developed. So now first is describe in which year C++ developed. What is C++? This C++ is a general purpose programming language. So it has a imperative, object oriented and generic programming features that is also provide the facility to low level memory consumption. So in case of the C++, memory consumption is very low, and that is object oriented programming, everybody know. And C++ designed by the Bajarne Structure in 1983. The first appear in 1983 in the market, and the stable release version in 15 December 2002, because the more upgradation और अपडेशन, बहुत सारे अपडेशन इसमें चलते रहे 1983 से 2014 तक. Now this is stable language. This is called the stable language. So firstly start in 1979. Bajarne step through for help of the Danish computer scientist Dennis Ritchie began work with the C with classes and then upgrade this language to C++ in AT&T Bell Laboratory. So that is the आप कह सकते हो कि C++ किसने डेवलप की, कब डेवलप की, किस ईयर में एस्टेब्लिश हुई. नाउ लेट्स सी विद डायग्राम, with the help of the diagram. Now first, the para-diagram is a multi-para-diagram procedure functional language and object-oriented language and generic language. So design this person Bajarne strip and 1983. The first stable release is 15 December 2014. Static, nominative and partially and infrared. File name is .cc, .cpp, .csx, .c++. This is the header file. So ISOCP, the website of this C++ is isocpp.org. So now which person is created? Just see this image. That person Bajarne Strup, the creator of the C++. Now just explain the features of C++. Here we see the features of this language is, the first is called the simple language. So why we C++ is simple? C++ is a simple language because it provides the structure approach. This set of library function and data type comes from the C language. So that is the easily work and understandable. So now portable means C is easily, आप उसे कहीं पे भी easily आप ले जा सकते हो, change कर सकते हो. It is not a platform independent, but easily आप उसे कहीं पे भी access कर सकते हो. अपने friend के कंप्यूटर पे ले जाओ पेन ड्राइव में and just access the pen drive easily. So that is the portable language. Why we call the middle level language? C++ is also used to low level programming language, but it is used to develop system applications such as the kernel driver, and it support the features of high level language. So that is called the middle level language. Low level and high level both की features apply करती है, तो that is called the middle level language. Structure programming language means that we can break the program into part using function, so it is easy understand and modify. So structure way, that is defined as a different modular function creating in C++. So that is the structure. Rich library, there are a lot of function, बहुत सारे function and library functions, inbuilt function is provided by the C++. So that is store large library inside in C++. So next is the memory management. How to manage the memory? We can free the allocate memory using the free function, allocate memory using the malloc function, calloc function, and different types of function is used in the C++. And that is also a keyword which is used for the memory, new memory creation, that is called new. New is creating object memory at the runtime. So that is the extensional features in C++. Faster. So that is the fast language. Compilation and execution time is fast in C++. Pointer is used. C++ provide the features of pointer. So creating a memory and structure and function array. Recursion is used in C++ because it provide the code reusability. आप दोबारा से reusable कर सकते हो function को. That is use the features of recursion. Extensible means that is the easy adopt new features. Easily adopt कर लेता है new features. So that is the important thing of in C language and best thing of C language. Object oriented. So why we call the C++ is object oriented? Because it development it makes development and maintenance easier, whereas a procedure oriented programming language and easily managed through as a object के थ्रू आप उसको डायरेक्ट किसी भी मेंबर्स को कॉल कर सकते हो, मेंबर फंक्शन को, डेटा मेंबर्स को कॉल सकते हो, मेंबर फंक्शन को कॉल कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज द easily calling function through as a object. Compiler based is mean compiler based means all program run through the compiler. So normally source code convert to the machine code because the window XP or 10 only know the machine code, या कंप्यूटर सिर्फ मशीन कोड जानता है, इसके अलावा कोई उसको लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है. तो जस्ट एज ए सोर्स कोड कन्वर्ट, नॉर्मली C++ सोर्स कोड कन्वर्ट through compiler in machine code. So easily acceptable compiler, easily code acceptable, easily compiler run or execute the program. So that is the introduction to C++ and features of C++ in this video. Thanks for watching this video.